Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. In today's class, let us learn comparison and order of numbers from 1 to 100. In numbers 1 to 10, you have already learned comparison of numbers. So, which are the symbol do we use to compare the numbers? Yes, the crocodile mouth symbol and equal to symbol. So let us use these two symbols to compare the given numbers. The first number is 43 and 67. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So we have to use this symbol. 43 and 67. Now look at the tens place of these two numbers. We have 4 tens here and 6 tens. Now tell me, 4 tens, is it greater or smaller than 6 tens? Yes, 4 tens is smaller than 6 tens. That is why 43 is smaller than 67. So here, to identify whether the first given number is smaller or greater, we have compared the tens places. If the first number's tens place is greater, then that number is greater number. If the first number's tens place is smaller number, then that is a smaller number. Here 4 tens is smaller than 6 tens, so 43 is smaller than 67. So let us use the symbol. 43 is smaller than 67. So 43 should get the close side of the symbol. Is it correct? Let's move to the next question. Question B. 65 and 40. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Now compare the tens places. 6 tens and here we have 4 tens. Now tell me, is 6 tens greater or smaller than 4 tens? Very good. 6 tens is greater than 4 tens. So here 65 is greater than 40. So 65 gets the open side of the symbol. I hope you understood how to compare the two-digit number. Now move to the C question. Here we have 70. On the other side we have 70. Are they equal? Yes, these two numbers are equal. So let us use equal to symbol to compare them. Now, here we have 90 and 91. Now, among these two, here we have 110, whereas in 91 we have 9 tens. Is 110 greater or smaller than 9 tens? Yes, 110 is smaller than 9 tens. So 19 is smaller than 91. So 19 gets the close side of the symbol. Now similarly I have written numbers in words. Let us compare these number names. Question E. 30 is dash than 20. Let me repeat again. 30 is dash than 20. Here the numbers are 30 and 20. Here number 30. Is it greater or smaller smaller than 20? Yes, in 30 we have 3 tens, whereas in 20 we have 2 tens. So obviously 3 tens, 30 is greater than 20. So let us write greater than. Now question F. 40 is dash than 60. 40 is dash than 60. Here we have numbers 40 and 60. Now tell me, is 40 greater or smaller than 60? Yes, 40 has 4 tens, whereas 60 has 6 tens. Then 40 is smaller than 60. So let us write the answer smaller. Question G. 70 is dash than 90. 70 is dash than 90. Now tell me, is 70 greater or smaller than 90? Very good. 7 tenths is less than 9 tenths. So 70 is smaller than 90. Question H. 80 is dash to 80. 80 is dash to 80. Is 80 smaller or greater than 80? Yes, 80 is equal to 80. So the answer is equal to. This is how we compare when two numbers are given. When we have more than two numbers, how to compare them? We can identify a smallest and a greatest number among the given numbers. Here are some examples. The first example, the given numbers are 40, 28, 35, 52 and 19. Here we can identify a smallest and a greatest number. You have already learned how to compare two numbers by looking at the tens place. Let us apply the same method here. In given numbers, here we have 4 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 5 tens and 1 ten. Among these tens, tell me which is the smallest tens? Very good. 1 ten is smallest compared to all these tenses. So, 19 is the smallest number. 1 ten is smaller than all these numbers. That is why 19 is the smallest number among the given numbers. So let us write 19 as the smallest number. Now we need to identify the greatest number. Again, look at the tens places of the given number. Now tell me, which tens is greater than other tenses? Yes, 5 tenths is greater than the other tenses. That is why 52 number is greatest number among the given numbers. So let us write 52 as the greatest number. I hope you understood how to identify smallest and greatest number by looking at the tens place of the given numbers. Now let us solve one more example. Here we have 88, 58, 62 Yes, very good. 5 tens is smaller than all other tens in the given number. That is why 58 is smallest number. Now tell me, which is the greatest number? Exactly. 8 tens is greater than the other tens of the given number. That is why 88 is greatest number. So now we know how to compare numbers when more than 2 numbers are given. With the help of this comparison, can we write numbers in order? Yes, we can write numbers in ascending and descending order with the help of comparison. So let us learn ascending and descending order of numbers. First, let us see ascending order of number. What do you mean ascending order? Yes, writing numbers in increasing order, that is from smaller to greater number, is called ascending order of numbers. So let us write given numbers in ascending order. So look at the numbers in the first question. 13, 18, 28, 20 and 19. To write in ascending order, first we have to write the smaller number. Among given number, which is the smallest number? Yes, we have to look at the tens places. Here we have 1 10. Here again we have 1 10. Then 2 tens. 2 tens in 20 and 1 10 in 19. So here we have 2 tens and 1 10. Which is smallest? Obviously 1 10 is smaller than 2 tens. But we have 3 1 tens. Now how to identify the smallest number? When we have same number in the tens places, that time we have to look into the ones places. Here we have 3 ones. In 18 we have 8 ones. And in 19 we have 9 ones. Among 3 ones, 8 ones and 9 ones, which is smallest? Very good. 3 ones is smaller than 8 ones and 9 ones. So 13 is the smallest number. So in ascending order, the number 13 comes first. As we have already written number 13, let us strike it out. In the remaining numbers, we already know 1 10 is smaller than 2 tens. So we have 2 numbers which carries 1 10. Now compare the ones place of these 2 numbers. 8 ones and 9 ones. Which is smaller? Yes, 8 ones is smaller. That is why 18 is smaller than 19. So let us write 18 after 13. And strike out 18. Now we have numbers 28, 20 and 19. Among these 3 numbers, which is smaller? Yes, 19 is smaller than these 2 numbers. So let us write next 19 and strike out from the question. Now we have 28 and 20. Among these 2, which is smaller? Exactly. 28 is greater than 20. Both have 2 tens, but if you see ones place, here we have 8 ones, whereas here we have 0 ones. So 20 is smaller than 28. So 20 comes after 19. Strike it out. Then the last greatest number is? Very good. 28. This is how we have to compare the numbers and write in ascending order. Let us understand by solving few more questions. Question B. The numbers are 3, 22, 25, 18 and 6. If you look at these given number, here we have 1-digit number and 2-digit number. Among 1-digit and 2-digit number, which is smaller? Yes, 1-digit number is smaller than 2-digit number. So among given numbers, we have two 1-digit numbers. Among these two, which is smaller? Yes, 3 is smallest number among the given number. So in ascending order, first we have to write the smallest number, that is in this question number 3. Start it out from the question. Now remaining we have 22, 25, 18 and 6. Among these number, which is smaller? Yes, 6 is a 1-digit number which is smaller than the 2-digit number. So 6 comes after 3 in this ascending order. Start it out after writing in answer place. Next we have 22, 25 and 18. All these three numbers are 2-digit number. When it is 2-digit number, we can compare them by looking at the tens places. So here we have 2 tens in 22, 2 tens in 25, 1 10 in 18. So among these three numbers, 1 10 is smaller than 2 tens. So this number 18 comes after 6. You can start it out after writing the answer. Now we have number 22 and 25. Among these two numbers, which number should come next? Yes, 22 is smaller than 25. So 22 comes next in the order. And the last number is the greatest number, 25. I hope you understood how to write numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by descending order of numbers? Yes, writing numbers from greater to smaller, that is decreasing order, is called descending order of numbers. So let us write these numbers in descending order. To write descending order, first we have to identify the greatest number. In first question, the given numbers are 6, 12, 8, 9 and 15. Among these numbers, which is the greatest number? Here we have 1-digit number as well as 2-digit number. Obviously, 2-digit number is greater than 1-digit number. Here we have two numbers which is 2-digit number, 12 and 15. Among these two, which is greater number? Yes, 15 is greater than 12. So 15 comes first in the descending order. Now, among the given number, which is the next greater number? Exactly, 12 is the next greater number which we have to write in the descending order. Now we have 6, 8, 9. Among these three, tell me which number I should write next? Very good. 9 is the next greater number. After 9, among 6 and 8? Which is the next greater number? Exactly, 8 is next greater number. And at last we have the smallest number, 6. This is how we write numbers in descending order when it is 2-digit and 1-digit numbers are given. Similarly, let us solve this question. The numbers are 28, 13, 26, 9 and 10. Among these numbers, which is the greatest number? Here we have one digit number, whereas other all numbers are 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is greater than 1-digit number. Now compare the given 2-digit number. Which is the greater number? Yes, here we have 3 tens in 30, which is greater than the other number. So 30 comes first in the descending order. Now we have 2 tens in 28, 2 tens in 26, 1 10 in 10. Among these 3 numbers, which is the next greater number? Exactly. Here we have 2 tens and 1 tens, and 2 tens is greater than 1 10. So among these two numbers, 28 and 26, which is the greater number? Yes, 28 is greater than 26. Now, in the remaining numbers, which is the next greater number? Yes, 26 is greater than 9 and 10. So, we have to write 26 in this order. After 26, we have now 9 and 10. Among these two, which number should come next in the descending order? Very good. 10 is the greater number. So 10 should come next in this descending order. And at last, we have 9, which is the smallest number. In today's class, we have learned comparison of numbers as well as writing numbers in ascending and descending order. Here is the homework from textbook, page numbers 66, 67, 68, 81 and 82. Solve the exercise given in these textbook page numbers. That's all for today. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.